You're welcome to another session of Sam's Economics tutorials, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to calculate the measures of central tendency. And the measures of central tendency that we're going to be looking at, we have range, mode, mean and median. So this set of data has been given 1, 2 and the rest. So the first thing we need to do is the first stage or step we need to do is to rearrange this in ascending order. So what we need to do now, we go now and sort out the data in ascending order. So we start with 1. 1 occur, we start with 1, we have 1. So we check if we have 1 again. We have 1, so we come and put 1. And we check, we have another 1, so we come and put 1. So we check, we have another 1, we come and put 1. We check, we have another 1, we come and put 1. We check again, lastly we have 1. So we are rearranging the data in ascending order. So we look for another value. We have 2. We have 2 here. So again we have 2 here. And lastly we have another 2 here. So we have to look for another value. Let's say we have 3. Then we have another 3. Then we look for another higher value. We have 4. And 4 we check through, 4 occurs or 4 appears only once. So we go to another value 5, and 5 occurs only once. So that's our first step for our solution. The first step is that you rearrange your data in ascending order. Now that we have done rearranging, let's go to the next step. This step we are going to sort out the data. So we look for the frequencies. Here we have arranged the data in form of scores. So what we need to do next is to look for their frequency. The frequency, that is the number of times a score appears. So we have 1. 1 occur here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have 6. So 1 appears 6 times. So let's go to 2. We have 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 appears there 3 times. So we have 3, 1, 2. So 3 appears there 2 times. So let's go to 4. 4 appears here 1 time, and 5 there 1 time. So that's our frequency. We now need to look for sum of frequency. The summation of f to be equal to, then we can now sum this. We sum 6 plus 3, that gives us 9. Now we need to look for sum of frequencies. So we sum this. 6 plus 3 gives us 9, plus 2 gives us 11, plus 1 gives us 12, plus 1 gives us 13. So that's the sum of frequency, 13. So we now need to look for the product of frequency and the score. So we now look for 1 multiplied by 6, we are going to have 6. 2 by 3, we are going to have 6. Then 3 by 2, we are going to have 6 again. So we now multiply 4 by 1, which gives us 4, and 5 by 1, it gives us 5. So we need to look for the sum too. The sum of f of x is equal to, when you sum this gives us 18, plus 4 gives us 22, plus 5 gives us 27. That's the sum. The first question requires us to look for range, and we know that range is the difference between the highest value in a given set of data and the lowest value, and the lowest value here is 1 and the highest is 5. So we are going to have 5 minus 1 to be 4. So that's our range. And the second question, that's the mode. The mode is a data with the highest frequency or an item that occurs the highest number of times in a given set of data. So here we look for the number which is 1. 1 has the highest frequency, so the mode is 1. And secondly, we need to look for the mean, and the mean is also known as average. So what we need to do, we have mean to be equal to summation of f of x divided by summation of f, which is equal to 27 divided by 13. So our mean x is equal to 2.5. And lastly, we have to look for median. And median for a given set of data for odd data is given as median equal to n plus 1 over 2. That is, we are looking for the position of the median data, and we have n to be equal to 13. So when you count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, our n is 13. So we have this, and median is equal to 13 plus 1 divided by 2. So our median is in the 7th position. Now we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and count the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the median is 2. This is the median because it appears within the 7th position. So our median is equal to 2. So that's it for our video of today, and see you in our next class. We will be looking at measures of spread.